So here we have the Geek Smart Deadbolt passive keyless entry system. It is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It works with your existing locks and keys, and it's compatible with single cylinder deadbolt. And we just want to tighten these. Before you install it, make sure that the power is on. There you go. Now we could just pop it in there. And it's good to go. Here it is locked. But if we press the button, it is unlocked. So it is pretty simple to set up. All you have to do is add. You go to smart lock. And this model is the F05. So I scroll down to where I see it, tap on it. So here's the app. You can control the lock. You could click to unlock. I'm currently not around my front door, so I won't be clicking it. But we can see that it does show us the battery percentage. It has a member management. So I can add family members. Has a log to see what time I unlocked the door, locked it, if it failed to unlock, or it gives you all sorts of feedback. And here's settings for security mode. You could also name it, and by tapping the pencil, you could also update it and reset it, and also share it.